The vaccine for the human papillomavirus is a substance that is usually injected in the body to stimulate the immune system. The immune system is there to identify any foreign object or particle that tries to get into the body to kill it.
So the vaccine mimics the infection. The immune system is aroused and it produces what we call memory cells. And these cells stay in the body, so whenever we are exposed to the real infection, the memory cells are there ready to destroy. So that's how the vaccine basically works.
According to Acting Director of Family Health Services in the Ministry of Health, Dr. Melody Ennis, there are different types of the HPV vaccine. However, only 2 types are available in Jamaica.
The aim and focus is to prevent cervical cancer. And cervical cancer is caused by 16 and 18. So the vaccine that contains all 3 vaccines contain 16 and 18. So all 3 are effective against cervical cancer. The chosen vaccine for Jamaica is the bivalent type, which contains 16 and 18.
Dr. Ennis says the side effects of the HPV vaccine include redness, pain, swelling at the site of injection, vomiting, headache, and diarrhea. These symptoms will disappear in a few days. However, for older women, it may take a while longer. But even so, the HPV vaccine still does not give 100% protection from cervical cancer.
Remember, it targets 16 and 18, which accounts for 70%. So of course, there's another 30% that's out there. And that is why it is the holistic approach to the management of cervical cancer. We have to continue with our message of abstinence, the ones I mentioned before. Delayed sexual initiation, limited sexual partners, condom every time, no smoking, plus, of course, your pap smears.
With your health report, I'm Shamala Mitchell wishing you good health.